Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it has been a minute, a hot ass minute, and I'll be first to apologize. This break was not meant to be this long, but I'm not gonna bore you guys to death. So it is officially been a year, a little bit more than a year. So this is more like a year and some update. As you guys can see, these are the locks. But before I get into that, I'm gonna do a quick little moisture routine, and then we're gonna get straight to it. So really quickly, this is what I'll be using for my moisture routine. I just spray this, and if you guys were here for my, I think it was my 10th or 9-month update, and a lot of you guys told me to switch up what I was using and not just use just regular water. So this is a mix of rosemary water that I made myself, as well as the aloe vera juice that you can get from Walmart. So I mixed those two together, and I also put some essential oils in there, and that's what I've been using for the past, I want to say, month and a half, maybe 2 months. So this is how it looks. It's a little bit like, it looks like tea, but it's not tea. Don't drink it. So anyways, this is what I've been using. I just spray my hair as usual. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, so that was that. And as you guys know, I also try to spray the entire lock, not just the roots, not just the body, but everything all together. And now we're gonna see how the locks have been looking. All right, so I'm not gonna zoom you guys in too much, but just a tad bit so you guys can get an idea of how the locks are looking so far. We are at, I want to say, 14 months now, because we are in March. So this is the locks and how they're looking, and these are the little problem areas. Both of them are actually looking good. They're still the same size. I'm just trying to see, you know, is it gonna get smaller? That's really what I'm trying to look out for right now. But so far so good. And of course, you guys can see my roots are out of this world. So that was the locks and how they're looking. And like I said before, we're officially at 1 year. So this is more of like a 1 year and some change update, and not exactly, you know, the month of the 1 year like I would normally do. So in the beginning of the year, for January, for my 1 year, I did do a retwist. I'm going to post it over here for you guys, and my hair looked amazing. The locks were great. I also think I did a quick little dye just to give me like a little touch up, a little something. It was very nice. I really liked it. I kept it in for a while, and I also wanted to preserve the retwist, so I did try some lock styles. I did some barrel twists, but I just felt like it was just too tight, y'all. Like, I'm really tender-headed, and I was just like, we're not doing this. So then I took the barrel locks out, and I did some cornrows within the same type of style. I'm gonna link both of them for you guys to see, and I really like those as well, because you guys know that I do want to do more styles with my locks themselves and not with something else. So I've been trying to, you know, stay true to that. And I've also done more cornrows with my hair, you know, of course, my little bantu knots. I love those because it's quick, easy, to the point, and then I get some curls afterwards. So I really love that. That's pretty much what I've been doing for the past couple of months with the locks. They've been growing, as you guys can see. Okay, we're looking good in terms of growth. And then in terms of the problem areas, like I said before, I'm just trying to see, you know, if they're going to get any more thin than they've already gotten. But so far so good. They've just been growing like they usually grow. And then in terms of the moisture, you guys know towards the end of the year, I was kind of like struggling with my moisture routine. I was really on top of it for the first, I want to say 6-8 months. And then towards the end of the year, I was kind of like slacking a little bit. But I have you guys know I've been doing a lot better, and I also made the lock tonic, and I really feel like the rosemary water has really been helping with my growth. I can't really see it as much, but I could feel it, because whenever, you know, I'm touching on the hair, I could feel the new growth. So I'm pretty sure I'll see it more once I do my retwist. But I have heard through the grapevine that rosemary water is really good for hair growth, so that's why I picked it over, I don't know, rose water. I was like, I don't really like roses for real, so I'm just gonna pick this because I like rosemary. I like the scent. I'm going off topic, but that is the update with the moisture routine. We've been doing that. I'm still struggling with the oil. I'm still struggling with that. But I don't. I had like a little issue with like some flakiness over here. That's over and done with. So I'm trying to oil more, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's still a struggle. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And really quickly, I want to touch on the first year of my locks. That journey was so amazing and so beautiful, and I'm just so appreciative of you guys for just being with me on that journey. That first year was amazing. I feel like my locks have matured so much, and because of my prior experience, I feel like it just allowed me to enjoy that experience even more. So I just want to thank you guys so much for just being with me through that. And now we're going on our second year. Okay, so for this year and for the next couple of months, I honestly, like I said before, I want to stay true to my word and just keep doing more styles with my locks on their own. And I also want to do more retwists this year because, like I said in the last update, I think I only did 3 retwists for my first year, which that was really pushing it. But I really feel like that did help with my locks being as thick as they are now. So for this year, I really want to try to do maybe 5 retwists. I don't know. I'm at 1 already, and I'm gonna have another one for April because I do want to style my hair a certain way, and I will be filming that. I'm trying to include more of the things that I do with my locks, like that I'm like, you guys won't really like this, but I'm trying to just, you know, do more styles and try to document those things so I can show you guys how I'm doing and, you know, how the locks are looking, because I feel like we're in this together. So many of you guys have told me, oh my goodness, like it's growing so much, and I honestly, I love that so much, and I appreciate that so much because I really feel like we're locked in, babes. Some things that I want to do for this year, since I'm already past the 1 year, I really don't see a point of me doing a monthly update with the locks. However, because we really been locked in from day 1, from the weekly updates, I feel like I kind of want to try to do like not every other month, but like every 3 months, maybe like a quick little update, because I feel like with 3 months, as your locks are getting older, you can see more of a difference as opposed to every single month, because now the locks are at a point where, you know, everything is pretty much locked up. For the most part, I don't like, if I go through it, I will feel some of the twists, but honestly guys, barely, not even. So there really is no point of monthly updates, but I do want to try to do like, you know, every 3 months or so, like, hey, here's what's up, here's how she's doing, and things like that. I'm really just looking forward to doing more things with my locks, styling my hair a lot more, and, you know, keeping up with my moisture routine. And I want to say that I'm not gonna dye my hair, but that would be a lie because you guys know me better than that, so I'm not gonna say that and lie to you guys. But that is pretty much it, you guys. I just want to thank you guys so much for just being with me on this journey for my first year. I really appreciate that. I feel like we're in this together. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.